Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Today I bring you guys two types of lithium-ion battery. One is 3.2 volt lithium iron phosphate battery cell, LFP4, and another is 3.7 volt NMC lithium-ion battery. Let me show you the details of these two types of battery cell. If from appearance, here is the thickness. The thickness all at 52 millimeter, and here is the length. The length is the same, 148 millimeter. And let's to see the pole design. The pole design is the same, round gray, round black, and anti-explosion valve is also similar. So if from those, you will consider it is the same battery cell. Actually, it is not, because the height is different. You can see the height. This one is lithium-ion battery, 3.7 volt. The height is 105 millimeter in height. And this one is the lithium iron phosphate battery cell. The height is 150. Yes, two battery cell now in my hand. One is 1.75 kilogram. Another is 1.8 kilogram. And I didn't tell you guys what the capacity of them. So guess which one is. For the capacity, this NMC lithium-ion battery 3.7 volt, it is 114 ampere hour. And for this lithium iron phosphate battery cell, the capacity is 104 ampere hour. So from those data, you will consider why this one is more smaller and more lighter of weight, but the capacity is more higher. And this one is a little bit more larger of the volume and also more heavier. The capacity is 104. The difference, that is the material. Yes, this one material is NMC and the energy density is 241 watt-hour per kilogram. And for this one, it is 184 watt-hour per kilogram. So compared to type of battery cells, the energy density, the NMC is more higher. And if for this 104 ampere hour compared to NMC, definitely the energy density cannot catch the NMC. But if this cell compared to the market of 104 ampere hour or 100 ampere hour, this is very high energy density, because in previous energy density of the EV 100 ampere hour or CATL normal 100 ampere hour, the energy density is only 160 watt-hour per kilogram, but this one is already exceed 180 watt-hour per kilogram. For the application for both of battery cells, they all can use for the electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle. Because for this lithium iron phosphate battery cell, it is the power battery and supports for 1C for continuous and 3C for the peak. But for the NMC, it is very suitable for the electric vehicle. And if you ask me if I can use the NMC for the solar system, the suggestion is not. The reason that is, firstly, that is the cost. The NMC cell is expensive than this one. This NMC 114 ampere hour lithium battery cell cost $32, but for this 102 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell, it only costs $22 per piece. So compared to the cost, definitely for solar energy storage, this one is more cost effective. And for the second, that is the safety. The NMC compared to the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, it is a little bit more dangerous. So for these two types of lithium-ion battery, which one you'd like to choose? Leave us your message. And this is Anya. See you next video. Bye bye.